Whoa. Say, Daddy, come see me. Say, come watch Daddy.
Are you in Zoe's chair?
Yes.
That's Zoe's chair. You're silly.
Zoe, can you say hi, Zoe? You want to say hi, Zoe? Hi. Where's your sister? Can you point to her?
Hi, cat.
That's not the cat. That's Zoe. That's your sister. You want to read a book with Mommy? Isaac, who are you calling?
Papa.
Can you talk to him on the phone?
Whoa. Hi. Papa. Okay, that's a Papa. Bye. It's a cat character. Oh, whoa. Hi. Oh, whoa. Hi. Oh, whoa. Oh, whoa. Oh, whoa. Hi.
Oh, you want Daddy to call? Say, please, Daddy.
Hello. Airplane? Pizza? Grandpa? Airplane? Pizza? Grandpa?
Whoa.
Isaac's turn.
Again? Hello? Airplane? Pizza? Grandpa? Airplane? Noodles? Mr. Noodle! It's Mr. Noodle. Hi, Mr. Noodle. Yay! More?
Can you say hi to Zoe?
I said we went to the...
What color is Zoe wearing? Hey, what color is Zoe's outfit, Isaac?
That's a button.
You push the button.
There.
Yeah, but Zoe can't see now. Sorry, Zoe. Whoa. Where are you, Isaac? There's Isaac. Hey, don't pull that. Hey. Can you talk to Zoe again? Are you going to rock her? Oh, good job. Good.